Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 10 students and topic of discussion is Introduction to Trigonometry. What is trigonometry? It is a relationship between sides and angles in a triangle. It can be used to measure height of buildings without really climbing on that. This particular triangle which we describe here must be understood thoroughly for further slides. Let us understand this. ABC is a right angle triangle with right angle at B. Opposite to 90 degree or opposite to the right angle, the side AC is called as the hypotenuse. Now we have considered an angle theta here. Angle C is theta. Opposite to that, the side AB is called the opposite side. And adjacent to theta, the side BC is called the adjacent side. We'll be using these definitions to define sine, cosine and tangent angles. Let us try to understand now. Sine, cos and tan are abbreviations of sine, cosine and tangent. What is sine theta? Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. And what is cos theta? It is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So we can relate this with the sides. Opposite side by hypotenuse sine theta is AB by AC. Similarly, cos theta will be BC by AC. It is important to know that if we divide sine theta by cos theta, AC will get cancelled, we'll get AB by BC, which is nothing but tan theta. So this formula is also very important, that tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. I suggest students to remember the formula of sine theta, cos theta and tan theta by this notation, that is opposite side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse and opposite side by adjacent side. Please do not remember with the sides. For example, in your exam they may give you side as PQR, so you may get confused. So always remember this particular formulas using the sides. Further, there are few more angles called as cosecant, secant and cotangent, which are abbreviated as cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta, which are defined as cosec theta equal to 1 over sine theta, sec theta equal to 1 over cos theta and cot theta is 1 over tan theta. Let us take one small quiz for you students. Now instead of putting angle C as theta, I have changed it to angle A as theta. Now please pause the video and try to find out sine, cos and tan angles. Okay friends, here is the answer. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Now the opposite side is this one, opposite to theta. So sine theta will be BC by AC. Cos theta will be adjacent side by hypotenuse. So it will be AB by AC. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So it will be BC by AB. So always better to remember through the sides as explained earlier. Let us take one example. We want to find tan A minus cot B and AC is given as 12 and AB is given as 13 and angle C is a right angle. Now through Pythagoras theorem we can compute CB. CB is 13 square minus 12 square square root. So 169 minus 144 is 25 square root, which is 5. So CB is 5. We want to compute tan A. Tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. So BC by AC equal to, this is 5. So 5 by 12. Now to compute cot B, we first compute tan B. So tan B is opposite side by adjacent side. So 12 by 5. If tan B is 12 by 5, cot B is 5 by 12. So tan A minus cot B is 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, which is 0. Let us take another example. We are given that 15 cot theta is 8. We need to find sin theta and sec theta. Cot theta is 1 over tan theta, so we can write 15 by tan theta equal to 8. So tan theta will be 15 by 8. So in this triangle, tan theta is 15 by 8. So opposite side by adjacent side. So AC by CB. Now again using Pythagoras theorem, we can compute AB. So AB square is AC square plus CB square. So AB will be 15 square plus 8 square square root. 15 square is 225. 8 square is 64. So total 289 square root will be 17. So this distance AB is 70. Now all the sides are known. We can compute sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So 15 by 70. For computing sec theta, we first compute cos theta and then invert it. So cos theta is 8 by 17, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So sec theta will be 1 over cos theta, 17 by 8. Now we move on to trigonometric values at different angles. So what are the values of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta at different angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So let us see sin theta at 0 is 0, at 30 degree is half, 45 degree it is 1 by root 2, 60 degrees root 3 by 2, 90 degree it is 1. Actually it is sufficient to remember the first row. Please observe that the second row is opposite of this, that it starts from 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 remains same, then half, then 0. So if we know first row, we can invert the second row and get the values of cos theta. And what about tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. This by this is 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 is root 3 and 1 by 0 is not defined. So I suggest students that you remember the first row thoroughly and other row can be easily deduced. One more important thing here. The sine and cos theta values are between 0 and 1. So cosec and sec theta will be always more than 1. Whereas tan theta values goes from 0 to infinity. These are some 3 trigonometric identities which you must remember, friends, like sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Here we call them as identities because for any value of theta, these equations are valid. So any value of theta, this will always be true. Here important one note is there that what is sine square theta? Sine square theta is nothing but sine theta the whole square or sine theta into sine theta. Please note that sine square theta is not sine theta square. It is not correct. So sine square theta is sine theta into sine theta. Like we have x square, we have sine square theta. Let us solve one problem. Find cot square theta minus 1 over sine square theta. Please recollect cot theta is 1 over tan theta or it is cos theta by sine theta. So cot square theta will be cos square theta by sine square theta minus 1 over sine square theta. We take the LCM sine square theta. Top we will get cos square theta minus 1. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta minus 1 will be minus sine square theta. This will get cancelled. We will get minus 1 as the answer. Now we take another example. We want to prove square root of sec square theta plus cosec square theta is tan theta plus cot theta. We know that sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So we write this as 1 plus tan square theta, and cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta through the trigonometric identities. We know this. Now add 1 plus 1 2 and put the balance terms tan square theta plus cot square theta. If we look the square root terms inside the square root and what we want to achieve, we want to get tan theta plus cot theta on RHS. So if we can put 2 tan theta cot theta here, we will get the square term as this. So to put 2 tan theta cot theta, we see that tan theta into cot theta is 1, because cot theta is 1 over tan theta. So we can write this as 2 tan theta cot theta plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Further, this can be written as tan theta plus cot theta the whole square root, which will give tan theta plus cot theta. That's what we wanted in RHS. With this, friends, we conclude the chapter. I request you to please subscribe my channel and give like to my video. This will motivate me to make more such videos for you. Thank you, friends.